Okay, here's my next fan for the channel. This is another Kmart / Lakewood box fan, model K-223. This one here is from 1980. I got this fan from fellow YouTube user Professor Kiwi, also in '09. When I first got this, there was also a 1982 K-223 that went with it, which was not in as good condition as this one was. I later gave that one to YouTube user Flippy365 because I needed more variety in my collection, not just K-223s. Anyway, we'll have a look around at this and then we'll fire it up. You see it's got this nice blue color. And it's got the usual McMillan motor, referred to by some of my friends as a Mickey motor for short. This one's got a date code on it of D80, meaning it was produced in April of 1980. Over the top. In the famous words of Esky, or Esky Wolf, it's got the sparklies! Sparklies! Yay! Anyway, here's it running. Here's high. Medium. Low. Back to high. And off. And that's my Kmart, aka Lakewood, model K-223 box fan from 1980. Thanks for watching.